the main problem of certain public officials in our country is that they are illiterate. That was the mess. That was the tweet. But this is my message. After decades in public service in my own country, I've come to the considered conclusion that what is lacking in the Philippines is not natural resources or people or human resources. What is lacking is a sense of shared destiny. Palagi tayo nag-aaway-away. We are a country divided within itself. What we need is the Bayanihan spirit that used to be so vibrant during the colonial times when we looked at ourselves as one entity. When we remembered the message of Hemingway that when the bell tolls, do not ask for whom it calls because it calls for thee. Dapat ganun sa ating bansa. Bakit ngayon lahat ng tao gusto mag-Supreme Court Chief Justice o maging presidente? Pagkatapos, kinukuha na lang sa propaganda. Palagi na lang maraming litrato nila, pero walang nangyayari sa ating bansa. Itong ating Chinese problem in Scarborough Shoal. It's a very complicated problem. And yet there are so many dimwits. There are millions of dimwits in this country who think that they know what the answer is. That's a very complicated, complex problem in international relations because not all that you see is the reality. Ganon yan sila. We have to play this game, which is basically intellectual. Philippine leadership should always be intellectual in nature. Kasi hindi naman tayo matatangkat. Hindi tayo makapag-Olympics. Pero kunin na lang natin sa utak. Dapat ganon. We should always remember that this is our country. We don't have any other country in the rest of the whole world. Pagkatapos, huwag naman ako i-black propaganda pag hindi nila ako masagot. Lahat ng kalaban ko, inaamon ko, mag-debate tayo sa Plaza Miranda. Ayaw nila. Kaya inaamon ko ng suntukan, ayaw nila. This is the only country we shall ever have. We should try and have a sense of shared destiny. We are Filipinos. The Filipinos are some of the most intelligent, most brilliant professionals in the world. We can compete on any level, on a global level. But what do we do? Binablock propaganda ako palagi. Kulang na lang ako demanda na may sex tape ako.